Hello friends, now a successfully set up of a Flutter application and seen what the project structure looks. Let's understand the flow of the code by navigating to my app, library and main.dart file. Stepping into the code. In the beginning, Flutter looks for a main function. To begin the execution, it looks for this main function in a main.dart file, which is now entry point of the code. So we will create a function void main. Now this begins. This proves as a starting point of the application. You need to create a something on the screen. You need to provide in this main function called widget. We will learn about a widget in the upcoming video. So to do that, we will use a function called run app inside the main function. That takes the widget as a parameter. This makes the root of the widget tree. Now inside the run app, let's add some text. Text is also widget in a Flutter. Now you can see the error associated with the run app. Because we have not imported the package for it, we are using package main.dart. Let's run the project. It is taking a time because we are starting from a scratch. Now we can see there is a encountered error is a no directionally widget found, because we define the text which to be displayed on the screen, but we have not defined the direction for it. For this we will use a text direction parameter and we will give it to LTR, left to right. Now let's run the project. Now you can see hello world is overlapped with a status bar. So to resolve it, we will wrap it with a child widget. We will wrap it with the center widget and make a text as a child widget and perform a hot reload. Now you can see hello world will be appeared on the center of the screen. Thank you guys.